Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the dollar Swiss is going up very strong. I mean, it did break structure to the downside right here, but the trend could possibly keep going up. Based on my Elliot wave analysis, this is a wave Y possibly, and I was wondering if this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, then this is like a big old expanding wave B, and now we're potentially in another uptrend for wave C, because it would make more sense for this wave Y to take out the higher wave W before it actually made a bigger turn to the downside. Plus, I am definitely still very bullish on the dollar index. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for longs unless we get a break to the downside at a Fibonacci level. Most recent structure is right here. If it bounces from a Fib level, break structure, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside, I am definitely looking at as nothing more than a possible pullback within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.